Hey guys, I just want to go over something today. It's been on my mind for a little bit, and it's obviously on the minds of well, the planet, and it's COVID-19, and you know it's serious. It's serious, 100%. It's serious, and I guess the thing is, you know, I mean, it kind of tears me up a little bit. I've been very fortunate where we are. We're not invincible, myself and my family, but there's a lot of people in need right now, and I see more and more of them every day. And I mean, it's tough times right now. So make sure you guys reach out to everybody that you can. You know, there's going to be people that need somebody to talk to. You know, I mean, we don't have to hug them, even though we want to. You don't have to hug them. Let's just talk to them. Stay in touch. There's lots of ways we can stay in touch. Making sure that everybody's okay. Making sure that elders are looked after. I check in on my mom and my dad every day to make sure that they have enough food and supplies. We're still able to get around here in Ontario. They're slowly locking stuff down, but and make sure that they're looked after. They've looked after us, right? There's going to be so many people now that are going to rely on everybody else to work together as a giant family. Maybe we don't know them, but they're going to need your help. Donate to local food banks. They're going to be in short supply. Even if you can just put down a couple bucks, you know, a couple bucks from everybody makes a big difference. You can buy those non-perishables. Do what you can. The local charities are going to need you. I can tell you, I've been donating, and I wish everybody else will that is able to. Small things go a long way. What's the good old saying? Many hands make light work. Let's all work together here. We know that we have to do this, and we know we're going to beat this. We've beat everything else. We are going to beat this.